Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, owner of Stand Up Woman and Natalie's Table, gifts that make your heart smile. Well, I'm back with another video, you guys. I'm trying to stay consistent, but some days, I lapse like 5 days, 4 days, 3 days, 2 days. But again, sometimes like I mentioned in my video before, sometimes, we go through those moments where we we are not motivated or we are not inspired or we don't feel we don't have the energy to get up and go and to bounce back, or we don't have those creative juices that we need to flow. Okay. And sometimes it's okay to feel, not sometimes, it's perfectly okay to feel, those feelings. Feel them, embrace them, acknowledge them, and then we move forward. Again, we feel them, we embrace them, we acknowledge them, and then we move forward. Okay? So I'm here today to say, first of all, thank God for waking us up this morning. And today's a beautiful day. Today's Tuesday. It is beautiful here in New Jersey. A little cloudy, but again, it's a lot warmer than it was yesterday. Yesterday we were in our 30s. Today it's in our mid 40s. But I'm inside today, guys, because I'm really sticking and staying. My hands on the grind. I'm grinding, or should I say my hands on the plow. Because my event is coming up on Thursday, so I have a lot to get done. So as I complete some of these gifts for this event, and some of these gifts are for the holidays. Actually, I have like 4 events this month, so I'm just making, creating gifts, and putting them out there, setting them aside, boxing them up, so that I would not have to be stressed for the upcoming events. So today, again, I'd like to say thank you all for sticking and staying with my channel. And to my new subscribers, I have new subscribers that subscribed to my channel yesterday and today. I would like to say welcome to my new subscribers. And I pray that all is well with all of you and your family. And I hope whatever you see on my channel, just feel free to allow it to tap into your creativity and let your juices start flowing. These are some ideas that I also I saw this concept on LBE channel, LBE Love Basket Express. And that's when I first started following her, I believe the beginning of last year. And I saw she did a concept with these soup mugs, and they were so simple and very creative. And again, all you have to do, guys, when you see someone creating a gift, or you see someone that have a concept that you really like, and you have these items, just feel free to use their concept. Feel free to use that concept, but you can change the items in that concept. You can change the bow color. You don't have the same ribbon. You can add different accessories like embellishments. You can do different things. But again, it's not about competing. It's about just helping one another on this channel. We help each other. We inspire one another, and we motivate one another. So sometimes when I'm letting you guys know what I do, when I have that, like I said, that designer's block, that creative block, I scroll on YouTube and I look at my mentors. I call them my mentors because I'm subscribed to their channels. And I look at some of their ideas and their gifts and their creativity. And I said, God, you know what? I don't know what to create today. I don't know what to do with this gift mug. I don't know what to do with this basket. I don't know what to do with this box or this charger or this pocketbook, whatever the item you have. I just asked God, I said, look, you gave me this creative gift. I don't know what to create. and then he would lead you. He may lead you to a magazine, a channel on your television, or he may just give you a vision, an idea through the Holy Spirit, or he may, unction you to go on YouTube and scroll, or on Pinterest. I get some of my ideas from on Pinterest as well. Pinterest is a wonderful platform to get ideas also. Okay, I'm also subscribed. I also have an account on Pinterest, so some of my baskets are on Pinterest as well. Okay, so when I feel this, when I'm in this space and in this place, I start surfing and I look. And this is a great way, guys, to get your creative juices flowing. Just get your creative juices flowing. And once your creative juices start flowing, what I said, God, thank you. And just go to those items that you have. You don't have to go outside, go penny shopping, whatever you have, make it do what it do. Whatever you have, create. Whatever you have, put it together and watch it come to life. And just say, thank God. Thank God for your creative gifts, okay? Because he gave us all a gift. All of us have a gift. The gift is in your hands. Okay, so just use your gift, guys, and don't stress and don't worry. I have one of those beautiful porcelain, off-white and gold porcelain coffee mugs that says, pray more and worry less. So that's what I am really working on myself, to pray more and worry less. Yes, I'm a work in progress, and I know we all are. So we're not here to judge, we're not here to compete, we're here to create. Okay? We're not here to judge, we're not here to compete, we are here to create and help one another. So today I'm just showing you guys, these are some of the soup mug concept that I created yesterday, and I will be taking to some of the holiday festivals. So this is what they are. This is what they look like. And if you have any questions, or you'd like me to do a live, or to do a video tutorial showing how I put these together, please leave it in the comments and I will check my comments, okay? But again, thank you guys for subscribing, sticking and staying with me, and I welcome all of you, and God continue to bless you all. So here we go. This is the first one, and it's really simple, guys, simple and elegant. You can add whatever you want. This one is just a simple mug, and what I did, I left the cover on the mug, because these mugs have the what you call those the steam release vents on them. So I just placed the item on top of the mug, and as you can see, I'm going to turn this around so you can see. I just placed the garden crackers on top with a spoon. This is a soup one, so I can fix this properly. There you go. It comes with the soup spoon. I place a soup spoon in there, and with the Lipton noodle soup mix, and that's the whole package. So I believe this came with it. I think it have about, how many? I believe there are 4 pouches in here, if I'm not mistaken. So that's pretty much, enough for someone to have to take to work. And these gifts are perfect for friends, co-workers, teachers, or just as a gift, to a family member, or an appreciation, or just a thank you. And this is winter season, guys, and this is going to be a very, very cold winter. So I say winter time is soup season, okay? Or you could reverse it. Winter season is soup time. It's up to you. But this is the other one, and they're all the same. It's just this one have because I ran out of these noodle soups, so I placed this one here with the chicken noodle soup that's shaped like a cup. And this one also I have the spoon with this one as well, as you can see here. I have the camera all over the place. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, and then I have the red one that says Stay Cozy. Same concept, just a different bow. and the soups are different, okay? And the mugs are also different. You have the gray, the green. This is the red that says Stay Cozy. This one I have Love at First Bite, and the other is Stay Cozy, and this is another gray one. And again, these are simple gifts you can give to your co-workers, friends, teachers, you know, anyone that you want to just give a gift to for the holidays. Or what do they have, what's this called? Secret Santa gifts. Perfect gifts to give as well. Okay, anything $25 and under, I think that's what they're doing now. It's like $25 or under, or $20 under. Still, these are beautiful gifts that you can create and take to your events. And I did try this concept. I did try this theory with taking these to an event for the holiday season last year, and all was sold out. Soon as I placed them on the table, guys, as soon as I placed these on the table, one customer bought 3, and I believe I made 6. One customer purchased 3. So the concept of, or would I say the idea of making small items, inexpensive items to take to these events or holiday festivals or farmers festivals, whatever festivals you're going to this year. Small, inexpensive gifts are the way to go, and it may be a cheaper gift, inexpensive, but the bottom line is one customer can purchase more than one. They can purchase 2, 3, or all 6 of these. Okay? So again, this is my soup mug concept. Very inexpensive gifts, but simple and elegant. Okay? And the bows, again, guys, always top off the gifts. Okay? That's what attracts the customers, are your bows. All right? So please feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, like, and share. I probably said this backwards, so mixed up the words, but I know those are the four words on YouTube. And again, I want to thank you all for watching. And until the next video, please leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you'd like me to do a tutorial on any of my videos and the gifts that I have created so far, please leave a comment and I will set up a live, okay? Or I'll do a video. All right? So thank you all so much. Please stay blessed, and until then, have a blessed and terrific Tuesday. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.